Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Learn. Have you ever wanted to add your real handwritten signature to a Microsoft Word document without printing, signing, and scanning it every time? If yes, then this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to insert a handwritten signature into Microsoft Word in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Create your signature. First, write your signature on a clean white sheet of paper using a black pen. Take a clear photo of it with your smartphone or scan it. Then transfer the image to your computer. Step 2. Insert the signature. Open Microsoft Word and go to the Insert tab. Click Pictures. Choose this device. Select your signature image and click Insert. Your signature will now appear in the document. Step 3. Crop the image. Select the picture and open the Picture Format tab. Click Crop. Black crop handles will appear around the image. Drag the handles inward until only your signature remains. Click anywhere outside the image to apply the crop. Now your signature looks much cleaner. Step 4. Make the signature movable. With the picture selected, click Wrap Text and choose in front of text. This option lets you freely move the signature anywhere in your document. Simply drag it over the signature line. Step 5. Remove the white background. Now comes the most important step. Go to Picture Format, click Artistic Effects, and select Photocopy. Next, click Color. Under the Recolor section, choose Black and White, 75%. Notice how the background becomes much lighter while your signature remains dark and sharp. If necessary, you can also adjust picture corrections, color saturation, or brightness until your signature looks perfect. And that's it. You now have a professional-looking handwritten signature ready to use in contracts, letters, certificates, reports, or any Microsoft Word document. If this tutorial helped you, please give this video a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Let's Learn for more Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and computer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.